Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this tutorial on replacing the original motor in your Dyson SV11. In this guide, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information needed for a successful replacement. First, gather your tools. You will need a crosshead screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench set, and some soft cloths for cleaning. Make sure you have a work surface that is clean and well lit. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get started. Now, before you begin, ensure that Dyson SV11 is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety first. Start by removing the screws on the outer casing using the crosshead screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, it's easy to lose them. Once the casing is off, you will see the original motor. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device using a soft cloth. This is crucial as a clean environment will help the new motor perform better. Next, disconnect the wiring connected to the motor. Take a photo or make a note of how the wires are arranged to ensure you connect the new motor correctly. Carefully unscrew the motor from its mount using the socket wrench. At this stage, you can take your new motor and begin the installation process. Align it in the same position as the original motor, ensuring that the mounting holes match up. Secure it in place with screws, making sure it's tightly fitted but not over-tightened. Reconnect the wiring according to your earlier notes or photos. Double-check the connections to ensure they are secure. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure everything is done correctly. Now, it's time to reassemble the outer casing. Align it carefully and start replacing the screws. Make sure each screw is tightened properly to avoid any loose components. Finally, after everything is reassembled, plug in your Dyson SV11 and test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it's functioning smoothly. If you need assistance, remember, we provide quotes before repair and can help you troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV11. If at any point you felt overwhelmed or if you simply don't have the time, consider our services that offer no calls, no travel, with everything handled conveniently for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.